In this scientific world, in the basic science, different scientists investigate different things, and they claim that they can affect the real science. Okay, imagine we have a lots of signaling pathways or molecules in our body, and imagine that a scientist reports a real thing like the result that they got in the same as a real thing happening in real world in our body. But can we imagine that it is like this? Lots of molecules in different sizes and different places, and they can be in different relationship and communications with each other. Lots of things. They report that, for example, this single protein can affect on this protein, this one. They are in separate sizes from small to large in our body. And imagine this protein in my hand can affect this one, and that scientist reported it that this one can interact that one in his study. And then they conclude that this protein or drug, maybe in future this can be a potential drug, but now it is not. But imagine when we use in our body, it's like this one. It goes inside, but you do not know how much they can interact with different proteins. We know this can affect that, but what about others? There are lots of events are happening inside. What about side effects? What about people in different regions with different genetic backgrounds and different cultures? So the total event, what is scientists are publishing in their article, is not totally correct. They have a hidden mistake or inbuilt mistake in every papers that they always ignore that. So thalidomide is a perfect example of this mistaken drug discovery. Thalidomide was first marketed in 1957 in West Germany under the name of Contergan. The German drug company developed and sold the drug, and later they used this one for sedative or hypotonic drug for the pregnant mother who suffered from the insomnia, gastritis and tension. Afterward, it was found that this drug is making some problem on that pregnant woman. And they found that 5,000 to 7,000 infants were born with malfunction of their limb. Basically, this was the agent for the teratogenic malformation, which helped to deformation of their limb after born. So only 40% of the child survived, and throughout the world about 10,000 cases was reported of this type of infant teratogenicity and malformed of their organ and the limb. So this is a huge mistake of that time. Those scientists was taken that drug in a prescription and did not consider the side effect of the all other molecule in the body or in the pregnant woman. So this is a general type of the picture that what happened at that time. The child was born with a teratogenic effect without the limb. So hope in the next time when you read an article in the scientific field, obviously you have to imagine that this is not the total view in the body. This is their result. This can be true, this can be false in any way. Thank you for watching, and if you think this is a fruitful information and if you like it, share and like us.